Ever wondered why some people live life on their own terms? Here's their secret, and why you need it too. Financial freedom isn't just about getting rich, it's about having choices. Imagine being able to say yes to new opportunities or say no to things you hate, because money isn't holding you hostage. So why should financial freedom be your number one goal? It buys you time, the most precious thing on earth. When you control your finances, you control your schedule. You can travel, learn new skills, start that business, or just take a break without guilt. Think about the stress and anxiety money causes. Bills piling up, emergencies knocking at your door, always feeling stuck in the grind. Financial freedom means less stress, better health, and more headspace to enjoy life. But here's the real kicker. It's not just about you. When you're financially free, you can help your family, your community, even support causes that matter. You become the person others can count on. Now, you might think, isn't this just a dream? Nope. It starts with a mindset shift. Make your money work for you, instead of the other way around. Learn, invest, spend less than you earn. Anyone can start no matter where you are right now. So are you ready to stop surviving and start living? Make financial freedom your goal, and give yourself the life you actually want. Hit like if you agree, let me know in the comments. What would you do if money was no object? Don't just watch. Start your journey today.